Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my videos. Today I am sharing Paneer Chilli Masala. It is very easy paneer recipe for dinner and lunch. For this recipe, cut some vegetables like onion, carrot, capsicum and spring onion. Take 50 gram of paneer. Mix paneer chili masala with water to prevent forming lumps in the masala. Take a pan and add 2 teaspoon oil and stir fry paneer. Take good quality of paneer, otherwise it will break. Stir fry it till it get golden. Now take another pan and add 2 tablespoon oil and stir fry all the veggies with ginger, garlic and chilies. Cook these vegetables for 5 minutes and add paneer. Stir fry paneer with veggies for 2 minutes, then add Chings Paneer Masala and soy sauce to get extra flavor. Keep stir frying everything for 5 minutes. Once the paneer masala start to boil, the recipe is done. Enjoy this recipe in lunchtime or dinner time with rice. Tell me in comment if you like my recipe. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.